Hello friends, welcome to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and this is my next video in jython tutorial series. In this video I am going to explain you how to search and replace a text from a file in jython, mainly using jython. So the idea behind writing this code is, or writing this, recording this video is, I got a requirement from my clients that they would like to replace a specific content from a text file or from a notepad file. So they have got a huge amount of data in that file and they would like to replace a specific word or a specific letter from that file with some other word. Although that option is already available in notepad, but they would like to do this by using jython code, because it might possible that they would not be using a text file, or they, if they are using some any other file, so it might possible that that option is not available into that. So that's why they would like to accomplish this task by using jython program. So for demonstration purpose, I have prepared a very small file. It's a kind of a sample file, and the file is a sample one, and this file contains 3 lines. So I entered here, hi, this is ABCD, hi, this is ABCD, this is a dummy text file, and this is how search and replace works ABCD. So I'm going to open this file in Jython, and then I'm going to replace a specific word. So my requirement is I would like to replace this word ABCD word with some other words. So let's see how to accomplish this task. So for this, I'm going to take help of Python. So I'm going to use the Python editor to write this code, and then we'll save that code into Jython directory, and then we execute it from Jython interpreter. So I just open Python and new file. So first of all, I use operating system OS, import sys, import file input, print text to search for text to. So I'll just create a variable text to search equal to search is equal to input. Let's say it's a keyword, so it will go in small letters, and we'll get the input from the user that the text we want to search. So I copy this for replacing and the file to be open. So then text to replace it with, and I create a variable instead of search. I write text to search, text to replace input, then file to perform search replace on. So I specify here file to perform search replace on, and I'm going to give a file a new variable, that is file to search. Now I'm going to create a new temp file object. Temp file is equal to open file to search. If text to search, the text to we want to search, if it is in line, so we'll say print, it will print match found, else it will print match not found, match not found. And I will specify temp file So temp file dot write line dot replace and replace with text to search, comma, text to replace. So it will replace. So there is a function here named as replace. This replace function will replace the word which we want to search, and it will replace with the word or the letter with whom we want to replace it with. And once it is done, the temp file should be closed. Temp file dot closed. And finally, I print a message input /n/n, press enter to exit. That's all. So I'm going to save this file. So I'll save this file instead of Python. I'm going to save this file directly into jython directory and named as replace word.py. Extension will be py. I'll save it. And now I'm going to execute it. So let's test the code. You can see that's the file. That's the Python file which is stored in jython. And if I open this file with and edit with ideally, we can see the code which we mentioned just now. So now to test it, I'm going to open the jython editor. So jython editor will be opened from command prompt cd jython 2.2.1, and I'm not going to jump into the jython editor. I simply type a command. I simply pass a command here, jython file name dot py, replace word replace word dot py, and run it. So when I execute it, when I run it, that py file executed by jython, and it's asking for a text to search for. So I'm going to look for abcd. It should be go within single quotes. Replace, I'm going to replace it with Sumit, and the file to open. So the file is on D drive. It's on D drive, sample1.txt. Let's open it. That's the file, sample1.txt. So I'll pass a command D drive sample1.txt, and so I got a message, match found, match not found, match not found, and match found, and press enter to exit. It means the file has been, the code has been executed successfully and the word has been replaced. And finally, let's go and test it. So for that, I'm going to open that file, sample1.txt. That's the file. So when I open it, you can see the ABCD has been successfully replaced with Sumit. So that's how we can replace a letter, a word from a huge file by using Jython code. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel if you want to know more about Jython. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.